Hey guys, how you doing? Back again. So we're going to be doing the upper push vertical movement, right? So this is essentially a shoulder exercise and an upper pushing exercise, working the old shoulders, right? So the first one we're going to be doing is a military press. It's basically a standard press above your head. I'm going to show you a dumbbell version. I'm going to show you a resistance band version, right? They really, as I always talk about, if you got this stuff at home, it makes it really easy for you. Next one we're going to be doing is an Arnold press, named after Arnold Schwarzenegger, I think. And the second one is going to be a front raise, okay? And it's still working on the shoulders, just in slightly different ways. So the first one I'm going to give you is a military press. Now, what you're going to get is two dumbbells, all right? So a lot of people will do this wrong. They do it out really wide, okay? Now, it is a legitimate exercise, that's absolutely fine. But what you find is if you've got sore shoulders, it makes it quite painful. So the best way to do it is to do the exercise in the way that your shoulders like to move. So your shoulders like to move with your dumbbells facing in front of the camera like you, the arms parallel with the wall in front of you, elbows pointing down. So from the side it looks like that. Keep your core engaged, knees nice and loose, alright, and you're going to lift above your head. This will demand quite a lot of core work, okay? So what I don't want you to do is lean back to lift the weight, okay? I want you to keep your core straight and lift above your head. And you'll find that this is a very challenging exercise, so you really need to use lighter weights. Okay, keep your core nice and straight, keep your chest up nice and tall, dumbbells facing the wall, elbows pointing down, and you lift above your head. And again, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, up, 1, 2, 3, 4. Really good exercise. Make sure though, say it again, do not bend backwards. That's when you're going to hurt your lower back, right? Your body likes to compensate. So your body thinks you need to get your weights from A to B, and the best way to do that is if I bend my back, the weights have gone from A to B without much work from the shoulders. So keep your back nice and straight, push up nice and slowly, lighten up the weights, all right? The next version is going to be a resistance band, okay? I love these resistance bands. And what you do, you stand on it, bring it up to the front, same deal, no different, okay? And then you push to the ceiling. Same exercise, same movement, using a resistance band. So a little trick for this one is not to have the bands on the outside because it'll hurt your arms. It's to literally hook your thumbs under and wrap your fingers around, and you'll see the holes going straight towards the camera, and then you lift up that way. Okay, that's the resistance band version. Really good exercise for your shoulders, really good exercise for your core. And you really get a lot out of it. So you're thinking about functionality. If you're at home and you're doing what I'm doing right now is, moving things around boxes, you need to be able to lift above your head, okay? You need to put something on a shelf. If you rely on pulling your back out to lift that thing up, it's going to really hurt. But if you can develop the shoulder strength, the core strength to lift that thing up, you're going to find everything becomes a lot easier, you're going to be less injured, and you'll be pain-free for a lot longer than you have been. So, the Arnold press, okay? Again, you get some dumbbells. And what this does is, it just causes you're going to keep your arms up a little bit higher this time. So instead of coming down, starting this way, you're going to bring the dumbbells in close. Elbows pointing down. You're going to come out to the side though, and then lift. Come back down, bring them together about eye height, out to the side, and lift, okay? Now, I'm still not really wide. My elbows are still fairly close. This is okay if you haven't got shoulder pain, but if you have, probably avoid this exercise. Out to the side, up, down, in, up, and out. And all we're doing now, we're getting the rotation of the shoulder, getting a bit more work done by the shoulder, working different muscles, and you're going to find, again, this is quite challenging. You can also do this with a band as well, which is really cool. And you come up, open, up, down, open, and up. And from the side, in, and up. Okay, really good exercise. Again, really be mindful of that lower back. Now, the next exercise we've got is a front raise, okay? So you can do this with anything. I got lots of plates hanging around. You can do with a plate or anything that you can hold in your hand, okay? So we go with a dumbbell because that's what most people have access to. And all you're going to do, hand the dumbbell by the ends, all right? Arms are in front of your body, chest up nice and tall, and you lift it up till the bar comes to your eye level. Hold it for a second, come back down. Come up the top, hold it for a second, come back down. From the side, up to the top, and come back down. Up the top, come back down. Again, don't use your back to muscle this up, keep your core nice and straight. All you're doing is using the shoulder muscles, okay? Like I said, it will mean you must use lighter weights because you want the shoulders to do the work, not the lower back. You don't want to injure yourself in the process. So that was going to be our upper push, vertical upper push. Hope you got something from it. Again, any questions, hit the question box above. We will do our best to answer the questions for you, all right? And I'll see you on the next video. Cheers, guys.